What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, Devon, put in work, Burke, and today we're talking about trading options over stocks. Let's go. Okay, real quick, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand. Trading options over stocks. In the investing world, trillions of dollars worth of shares are bought and sold each day on the major exchanges all over the world. On any given day, traders and investors can take part in the purest form of capitalism by putting their money at risk by buying into any of the major global corporations across the planet in the pursuit of what? Profit. Yet, there is another way of speculating, trading options, which can be far superior to just trading the shares of a given company. An option is a derivative on an underlying security that gives the right, but not necessarily the obligation, to buy the underlying security at a given set price. They come with different strike prices, expiration dates, and allow tremendous leverage as each option controls up to 100 shares of stock in a particular company. These advantages make options a far superior trading instrument than just trading the regular everyday stock. Okay. One advantage is leverage. Leverage is the ability to use a small amount of capital to control a huge asset, like in real estate, where a small down payment allows a prospective buyer to control a huge piece of property. Options allow the trader to control up to 100 shares of stock for with just a tiny bit of capital, or in this case, it is called the options premium price, which is the actual cost of the option. So let's look at an example of how options are superior to stocks when using leverage. I like superior. I like the word superior. Superior, right? All right. So if you notice that ABC stock is set to rally higher and is trading at $50 a share, and you then buy 100 shares of stock for a total of $5,000, right? A few weeks later, ABC stock has rallied to $60 a share, and you sell all your shares, you have profited $1,000 or a 20% return. Not too bad. But a friend of yours sees the same setup, the same situation in ABC stock, and decides instead to buy an option with a $50 strike price, which is priced at $20. I'm sorry, which is priced a $2 premium for a total cost of $200. Because remember, the premium cost, you have to multiply that by 100 shares. This equals $200. ABC stock rallies to $60 and your friend sells his $50 strike option for $1,200, which is a 500% return. That's the power of leverage when trading options. Okay. So there's a quite a few different ways you can do it. You can do credit spreads. You can do a whole bunch of things, but I'm not gonna drown it out on this video. I'm not gonna give you all the meats and potatoes. If you want to get a better, even more in depth thought process on the advantage of trading options over stocks, check out the blog. You can read up in way more detail about the stock options and trading options and all that stuff and the difference and how to do it in different ways. And if you want to get even more detailed information, there is a link in the description that you can purchase this product by my dude 100K. Okay, no, it doesn't cost 100K, but they call him 100K because he is winning. Okay, making about 100 grand or so a month. I just stumbled upon a product. I bought it myself, so I'm not just you know giving you blowing smoke up you know what I'm saying, you know what? I'm giving you real. It's a great product, great information, a lot of information. I've learned a lot. I've made some money with options trading. It's not something I do all the time, but definitely at least once or twice a month, I jump my, put my money in the ring of options trading. And sometimes, some months I come up with 20, 30, $40,000. And some months I've lost like 10 grand. But that all comes with trading anything, right? But long as your wins outweighs your losses, then you good to go. You know what I'm saying? So trading options, or learning trading options, is one of the best things you can do for yourself, even if it's not one of your main things to do. So check that out. All right. Also, there's some free training in the description also for crypto training. If you want to learn crypto, if you're interested in that, there's some free training for that. Also, got my free guide to building passive income no matter what you do, where you work, any of that stuff. Okay, I can teach you how to build passive income using what we call the internet. You know what I'm saying? It's a free guide. It's free. Come on, man. You can check out all these links. The links are in the description. Go in the description. Check it out, man. Stop playing. So with that being said, it's the man, it's the myth, the Von Puddingwork Burke, signing off for trading options over stocks. Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more.
It's the Wealth Builders, baby.